Welcome to today's AI briefing. I am Jenny and today's topic ChatGPT. The GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which refers to how ChatGPT processes requests and formulates responses. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks, such as composing emails, essays, and code. 18 April 2023. What is ChatGPT coding? ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can assist in the coding process. By using machine learning algorithms to analyze and understand code snippets, ChatGPT can generate accurate and efficient code solutions. While it does not replace human programmers, it can significantly improve productivity and coding accuracy.